What?
Racket number 2, Wall Street Journal. Deep-pocketed buyers are starting to back away from the U.S. housing market. They've got a story in here 2 years ago. Austin real estate agent Amy Dean of Moreland Properties. Austin, crazy market.
Great market.
An unbelievable market.
Unbelievable.
She was working 2 years ago with so many wealthy out-of-state buyers that she showed one $15 million house 5 times in 30 days. Okay? That's a big price point.
Huge price
Not
point.
a lot of people can afford a $15 million house. So to
No.
show it 5 times in 30
times.
days is pretty good.
And it's Austin. Like, we're not talking like waterfront.
Yeah. Well, we're talking Austin. It's a very desirable market.
Trust
Nicole.
me.
Not everybody needs the Long Island Sound.
I'm just going. I mean, 15 million on the.
Jeez.
No, but I'm just saying, like, even on the Long Island Sound, like, it's like where we are, it's like 5 million.
Because it's the Long Island Sound. That's why. All right, moving on. Now she might get one call every other week for showings in that price range. She might get one call. We're not even talking showings. Oh, wait, 4 showings.
Yep.
In that price range. That big buyer pool has slowed down.
Yes.
The first movers committed and moved. Okay, so let's put up the chart. Luxury sales lag. The number of luxury homes that sold between February 1st and April 30th dropped 18% year over year. The biggest dip since the pandemic started. 18% year over year drop in luxury buyers. The number of luxury homes defined as the top 5% of the market. So it could be different in Connecticut than in Austin, Texas, than in South Florida, than in, Bel Air. So defined as the top 5% of that particular market that sold during the 3-month period from February 1st to April 30th dropped that 18%, with the number of sales during the same period in 2021, according to this new report from real estate brokerage Redfin. Inman also covering this story. What does it mean when even the wealthiest stop buying? I'll take a stab at this first, Nicole.
Let's do it. I can't wait to hear. You're getting good at reading. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, I'm getting better at reading.
You really are. I'm just like, wow.
I'm the bomb.
You are the bomb.
All right. I will tell you what it means.
Okay.
It's similar to what I just told you in racket number 1. 2023 is going to be a bad year, folks. Get ready for 2023. It's not going to be friendly to a lot of people. That great resignation that was happening in this country, those folks might be hoping to get a job. And if they do have a job, they can basically bank on no pay raise.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 23 is going to be bad.
Okay.
And the wealthy know this.
Mm-hmm.
So they're holding back. Do I need a third house in Austin? Or should I save this for when there's blood on the streets and I can go out and get a deal? I'll wait. I've seen this story before. I'll wait 12 months. When there's blood on the street. Not murder. Just leakage.
Blood. Yeah.
There's leakage in the economy.
Wrong word.
There's something happening out there.
Yeah.
And they're going to go out there and take advantage. It's what happened in December or quarter 4 of last year. Who sold a whole bunch of stock in their companies, which are 2 of the great American companies right now? Jeff Bezos sold a whole bunch of stock in Amazon. Amazon right now is worth half of what it was this time last year over year. Tesla, which is down big. Elon sold a whole bunch of his stock, and he's waiting for blood on the streets. So I'm going to go buy Twitter now with some of this money and whatever else he's going to buy.
I don't know. He's put Twitter on hold.
He did, but he's meeting with the company, the employees, and they're going to have a little fireside chat.
Wow.
Elon and the bros and
the bros?
The kids there.
The bros.
The kids working at Twitter.
The bros? All those single dudes living in their parents' basement?
I don't know about that. All the kids that work at Twitter, they're going to get to talk to Elon, their new leader, soon to be leader, potential leader. Anyways, that's what the wealthy's doing. They're sitting back, and you see this 18% dip. And why buy that second, third, fourth home? I could go rent it right now if I really need to be in Austin or wherever I need to be. That's just the example, Wall Street Journal. And I'm going to wait and see what happens. They move. My point is they move first. Right. Like Bezos and Musk moved at the end of last year. Now you're seeing wealthy home shoppers move. You're seeing all these companies lay off right now or freeze hiring or stop marketing. And then the everyday consumer will then wake up after the summer's over after they went to Disney for 8K, and they're going to say, uh-oh, maybe I should stop.
Yeah, are you selling?
Am I selling? Nicole, so little personal podcast story here.
Oh, now. Are you?
Nicole spent all summer. No, all winter. It's summer now.
It is summer now.
She spent all winter fixing up my Connecticut house. Doing a brand new bathroom, full rehab.
Master,
to the studs.
We did painting,
flooring,
doorknobs, new hinges,
lighting,
paint. Yeah, we bought you some new furniture,
new staircase runner.
Yeah, we did all of it. You enjoyed it. I bought
beautiful job, by the way.
It's great.
Great job. Really looking premier.
And again, every time I'm like within earshot, I hear him. Yeah, so I'm gonna sell. And then I'm like, hey Byron, like, are you gonna sell? He's like, never.
So one of the nice things.
And then no. Yesterday, I meet our photographer at one of my new listings, and he goes, hey, so did Byron decide to sell? And I'm like, excuse me. He's like, yeah, I took photos like a month ago. I'm like, photos? You took photos
before the wife and kids came up.
If he says something long enough, it always ends up happening. Yeah. So I'm just now waiting.
So before the wife and kids came up for the summer, I snuck the photographer in before they destroyed the place with toys and slobber and snot and
his bathroom shower door is on back order.
Yeah, where is the shower door?
Ripping me another hole to get it in. Now I know why.
For the photos.
For the freaking
Anyways,
photos.
I want that shower door up.
I want
my
the shower
is so big, by the way. I don't even need one.
You don't need one, but yes. No, you do need one.
Did a great job on the shower. Yeah, anyways, the nice thing about having all the work done is we're at top of the market. All right, the comps are out there, so I can sell at top of the market and even above top of the market based off of all you did the staging, you did everything.
Are you selling?
The smart move, for me would be to sell. I'm super undecided. I'm leaning towards. I need a place in Connecticut.
You do.
We have a company in Connecticut. I have my primary residence in Naples, Florida. I have a company headquartered there. Bam, Broke Agent Media. Check it out.
People would be like,
right.
Oh my.
So I need a place in Connecticut. This is a very good place. I think it's a good store of equity. Even if it goes down, it'll be back up to the location.
What if you start Airbnb in that thing?
Can't do it. My HOA won't allow it.
Oh, what do you need, a year?
So can't allow that. So the smart move would be to sell. We're going to see how the summer goes. I'm likely not. So I'm going against my own advice here with the move. I do believe that I'll be able to maintain it for 2 years.
So I don't think you're going against your own advice.
Because I'm telling people to, really dig in, get down and dirty.
For sure, but I mean, you're also saying that real estate is still smart.
Yeah, I think it's a great store of wealth.
It's still a place that it's a place that your family enjoys coming. Your children are young. Your business is up here.
And I have some debt
sell
on
it to then do what?
I have some debt. I have a lot of equity.
Stockpile it like a chipmunk with all these nuts in his mouth.
It'd be stockpiling the equity and waiting for some of that leakage. But I do have a really valuable asset right now, which is a mortgage interest rate of 3 1/8.
Right.
On, I own 50% in the house in equity in today's value. So even if it drops, whatever, I'm still going to have a nice buffer there. If I had to sell, I'm never going to be in a position where I'm losing money on the house.
Right.
If I let Nicole do another renovation, then I would be in a position to lose money. But Nicole does a fabulous job. She did do a little bargain.
I always bargain, but you're also in a certain spot where I can't put down Home Depot carpets.
Thing. Would I go buy a
$15 million Austin house?
This house is really designed for me to be able to come up here for the business. It's a business need, right? Now if I was buying a third house in Napa wine country, love Napa, that would be not a smart investment right now. I could hold that money back and use it for something else. Yeah. So, and that's what the wealthy are doing. I can't afford a house in Napa right now to be completely transparent.
I never even knew that was anything on your list.
No, I'm just saying, I love Napa. Wine country is a great place. If I had money to burn, it'd have to be a lot of money.
That's your
at
spot.
some point. I love wine country. Yeah. It's very quiet. It's nice. But I've never been to Montana. We talked about that last week. Go check out last week's pod.
Yeah.
I think I could move to Montana. Yeah. All right.
Cowboy.
But
what's happening?
The wealthy are holding back. I really I'm telling you, 2023, watch out. watch out. If you're an agent, expect to be fighting over a lot less deals in your market. You know, you're on a little bit of a honeymoon right now, and some people haven't realized it's over.
Yeah. Well, they better be realizing. If they're
market's
putting up
here.
listings, they're realizing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, guys, appreciate you checking out this episode of The Real Word. If you want the full episode, go over to the Broke Agent YouTube. That's where we're hosting the full podcast. If you want to continue to see the segments broken out and the short clips, stay right here on The Real Word YouTube.